Okay, here is a York LX central air conditioning unit running at a drive-thru. This unit's from 2022, I think, and it's 4-ton, I'm pretty sure. And I could be wrong, but I think this might actually have a LG compressor, LG scroll. It's very quiet. It's a 14.5 SEER. Appears to have swept blades. Has micro channel, of course. But yeah, this unit's at a coffee drive-thru building at, this is actually right by the outlet mall here in Williamsburg. But yeah, me and my mom stopped here to get a coffee, so I thought I'd get a quick video of this unit. But yeah, this place was built not too long ago, actually. I think this was actually built last year. This drive-thru place. Suction line is pretty ice cold and sweaty. Liquid line's warm. But yeah, just like a quick video of this unit. Anyways, thanks for watching.